In this video, we're going to show you just what it takes to design shirts online and just how easy and fun it is. So if you go to our website, shirtlizard.com, log in. On the home page, up across the top, you'll see Design Now, which you can click on, takes you straight to the designer, products, and then just has a few other things across the top. Right in the middle of the page, Start Designing. Or if you scroll down, you could see some of the most popular items: t-shirts, ladies t-shirts, tank tops, and sweats. So let's select products, because in products you can look at pretty much every shirt, hoodie, hats, sweatshirts, tank tops, anything that we have for decoration. You could click on one of those. So just to make it kind of easy, we'll just select t-shirts. From there, you'll see quite a few t-shirts on display. So let's just select the first one, Comfort Soft t-shirt. And you can either select the shirt or you could select Design Now, which takes you straight to the designer. So let's select the shirt, and it gives you a description of the shirt. You can get a quick quote right there. Look at the different colors of shirts. But let's select Design Now from this page. So we go into Design Now, and that brings up the designer where you could put the shirt together. So when you're designing a shirt, you could bring your own artwork, which is most desirable in a lot of cases. That way it is your logo or it is your creation. So you could import that into the system, or you could use just basic text, which is one of the features, or you could use some of our basic templates or designs. So let's take a look at the shirt right there. If you see product color, you could select on that product color and change the shirt color. It's really easy. Here's a red one. So we'll go with red. If you just wanted to add text, click on the text button. And right here, you would type your text that you want to display on the shirt. So let's just type in hello, something very basic. You could change the font style right here. It shows a display of the different types of stock fonts we have. So we'll go with Oswald. The color that you wanted to print. So the default is black, but you could pick purple, orange, green. The colors are endless. It just scrolls on through. And if you hover over it, it gives you the PMS color. So PMS colors is a coloring system, almost like if you go to a paint store and you pick a swatch. That swatch has a serial number, I guess you could call it. Well, PMS color matching is the same way in the graphics field. Every color has a specific number, and it gets you very close to that exact number. So we'll pick kind of a navy blue, add custom text, and it typically makes it the maximum width. So you can move it onto the shirt, size it about how you want it, whether it's a full front or left chest. All right. And if you're happy with that, you can buy now, and that'll take you to a page where you select sizes. You can even add multiple products to that same design. If you wanted red shirts and white shirts and green shirts, all with the same design, you could select multiple shirts, or you could select different types and brands of shirts and print them all together. You just have to be careful when you do that, that the design is going to work on the different colors of shirts. Okay. So let's select this, delete it out with the delete key, and we're going to add clip art. So we do have some basic clip art. If you wanted to select some cars, turn off these two. Mascots. Got different types of mascots you could put on there. Select this guy. He's pretty cool looking. and it's currently a 2-color design. You could change the white color to say light blue. So it's black and light blue, and that'll be on the shirt. Okay. And if you wanted us to add some colors to different parts of the logo, you could just let us know in the comments. We could add another color. If you wanted him to have, I don't know, white socks and a white shirt, we could do that for you real easily. All right. So these designs, you can add text around them if you want, whatever, high school, football, whatever. So these are just kind of basic designs. The next option is to upload your artwork. So here, you have to check that you have the legal rights to use this artwork. And you browse for file. So we're just going to look on our desktop and find something real quick. So we'll scroll through here, try and find something that's not too crazy, but find something real quick. Here's our basic Shirt Lizard logo. We could put that on there, our icon. This one does have a white background on it, so we're going to remove a color and hit continue, and here it removed that white background. Okay, so we'll hit continue. Here you can make some effects on it if you want. Make it kind of sepia, grayscale, invert colors, but most of the time you just leave it how your logo is. Hit continue. Number of ink colors you want to print it. So if you remember that first page right before we went into the designer, the more colors you choose, the better your logo is going to appear on the shirt. Or you could simplify it. You could say, well, I just want to print 3 colors, because that's going to reduce your cost. Or you could say, I want 7 colors, whatever it might be. So here we're going to say 6 colors, right? Then you got to choose your colors. So one of them is going to be black. One of them is going to be light blue, about like that. One of them is going to be yellow, basic bright yellow. Of course, one of them is our bright green. 375 is typically what it is. And a purplish color should be down towards the bottom. And we'll choose this one. And gray. It's got some gray around his sleeves. So let's choose a gray. Do we have gray up there? No, gray might be right here. Okay. Then we hit continue. We'll have to resize him because it's always starts out at the maximum size. All right. Now here's a great tool right here. You see where it says poor, good, all the way to great. So at this size, which is approximately 12 inches or 11 inches, the quality is not very good. So the design I picked was something that's used for the internet. It's not real high quality. Internet designs typically 72 dot per inch images. And for graphics printing, magazine printing, you usually want very high quality printing. So 300 dot per inch is kind of the norm for screen printing, and as much as 600 or even 1200 for magazine print. So if this logo was reduced to a left chest size, look at there, now our artwork is good enough. So if the artwork is in the poor range, you probably should get a better quality image to upload or reduce the overall size of it. As raster type design, bitmap type designs, the quality gets reduced the more you enlarge it. Okay, so from here we'll hit buy now. I approve this artwork. If you want to put any notes in here for any type of decoration requests or sizing or any questions you might have with the artwork, if you want to change some of the colors in it or alter it, you can put comments in there and we'll do our best to alter the artwork to your specifications. Here you would choose the sizes of the shirts that you want. Okay, so let's say we're going to do 6 medium, 6 large, and our minimum is 12 pieces. So here you could add to cart, or you can mix and match styles and colors. So let's say that you want to get 6 medium, 6 large of the red, and then you want to add to that. So you could add men's t-shirts, kids t-shirts, whichever ones that you're looking for, you could turn off, turn on. So if you want to add, I don't know, a sleeveless t-shirt, or you could add the same t-shirt and just get different colors in it. Let's say we want some sleeveless. We want to do, again, 6 and 6, okay? So it adjusts the pricing of the total quantities. So originally these were around, I think, $18 each or $20 each. And as you add more pieces, the cost per piece is reduced, okay? And we'll add to cart. Takes just a second, and here's your cart. It's got the layout on it. You can always click back in there and take a look at them, or you can click back in and add more styles and sizes if you would like. And from here, you just have to check out and you're on your way. So also, we'll go back to the designer real quick. If you're in the designer and you want to do front and back, you can just hit this tab on the right and you can design left chest and a full back design, or a full front and full back design, and then go ahead through the checkout process. So we hope you've enjoyed this video, how easy it is to design shirts online. If we could help you, visit us online at shirtlizard.com. We'll see you on the next video.